How to fix no notification sound in Realme 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option notifications. Now click on notifications and then scroll down and here you can enable your apps notification. Now simply click on a app and then here you can turn on your notifications. After that, go back to the main page of your settings and click on sounds and vibration. Now click on do not disturb and here you can check your do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down and click on system and update and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.